Hey everyone, I'm Chus and today I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be doing another taste test. This time it'll be with uh, five five different Monster Energy flavors. So as you can see here, I have got each different five Monster Energy flavors. So starting, we have the pipeline punch flavor. Yeah. The second one we have ultra paradise, and the third one we have mango loco. Fourth we have, it's basically just ultra, and the last we have ultra sunrise. So yeah, I'm very interested to know how each of these flavors will taste like. Yeah, and basically at the end of the session, I'll be revealing which flavor that I like the most. So so let's begin the taste testing. So yeah, we'll start with the first one. So okay, so the first flavor we have is the pipeline punch, which looks a bit orangey. Yeah, so let's try. Okay, so the first one tastes quite fruity. It's a bit of like fruit punch taste to it. So yeah, quite interesting, and it's sweet also. Okay, so we will move on to the second one. Second one is ultra. Wait, wait, no. I think the second one is actually more mango local. Yeah. So okay, mango local looks like mango color. Yeah. Okay, so mango local actually tastes special also. Yeah, like you can taste a bit of like mango flavor added to it. it's like a quite a bit of like a fusion to it. Yeah, so nice also. Now we'll go on to the third one, which is Ultra Paradise. So this one reminds me of the normal Monster Energy. Okay, so we have a greenish color, a greenish one here. So interested to see how this tastes like. Wow, this one tastes like so different. Like it's like it feels like it's from like another planet or something. I don't know. This one is quite special also. Yeah. Personally, I've not seen this kind of, yeah. So yeah, we'll go on to the next one, which is Ultra Sunrise. I think it's probably orange flavor. Yeah. Okay, looks interesting also. So as we go down the line, we can actually see so many different fusion of Monster Energy. So yeah. Yeah, I'm right. This tastes like orangey plus a bit of lemon. So yeah. Wow, okay, this one tastes it tastes like a normal like fruit juice, like orange juice or something like that. Yeah, it's like orange juice but with a little bit of carbonation together. So yeah, nice also. So now we'll be going on to the last one, which is basically just ultra. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so this one looks like default, like no color. Oh. Wow, this one tastes like there's no, like it just nothing at all. There's no flavor to it or whatsoever. So like compared to the rest, so this one is just like don't know, something like water or yeah, there's no flavor at all. There's nothing at all. Alright, so I've done the taste testing of 5 flavors of Monster Energy. So now I think which one I like the most is probably, I don't know, it comes down to these two. Like I'm okay with these two, but the rest is just, it's either no flavor or it's just too fruity. It's just the flavor doesn't go together. So no, yeah, so comes down to these two. So yeah, so okay, let's so yeah. Okay, I've done one last check. So I think the winner of this taste test is this guy. Yeah, so I think I like this the most out of the rest. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. um don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this taste testing video. uh thank I'll see you on the next one. Bye.